Alrighty. What's going on, ladies and gents? This is how I lost $635, and I would have lost 1,200, but my copy trading shit didn't even work. So you can see here, lost $635. Super nice though, because I put in the wrong thing. So yeah, oh well. But this is the trade that I took. Super butt. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not even upset at all because I mean obviously losing comes with trading, but I risk super light. I'm on two fresh evals. If you can see, yeah, I'm on two fresh evals. I'm not trading my past account until January 5th. I just hope it doesn't like inactivate my shit low key, bro. So yeah, I don't know, but anyways, not doing the whole bar replay thing today. I want to keep it short and sweet. We can literally get rid of all of this nonsense, bro. So if we see, bro, we are kind of in a higher time frame sell model. We have this accumulation down here. We tapped into this daily gap, and then we're continuing to move lower. Now, ES is holding this daily gap, all right? So I'm like, okay, well, maybe we want to be bullish. But it is very clear on NQ that we want to be bearish. All right, so the first thing that I really wanted to see was us take out this 915, these 930 lows. We've taken out the 930 lows. It looks like the trade, and now the trade that I wanted to see is playing out with the 3-minute inverse, but now it just makes no sense because it's like we've inversed the 5-minute. It's just dumb, bro. Like now, I mean, it already kind of was of a dumb trade, but like I've just seen it play out before. So we move up, we take out London highs, we tap into this 2-hour gap, and then we shit the bed bearish. Okay, we have and that the biggest thing that I really didn't. So I'm like, okay, well, if we're really gonna be bearish, we're gonna want to balance the range, move back higher, but we haven't put in a swing low yet. Okay, we have the swing high, and then now we have the swing low, which is like now we could have taken this to the air, which would have been still pretty butt in my opinion. But that's why I only did one con. Losing just $600, not really too much of a big fucking deal. I'm on two freshies anyway, so yeah, not really too big of a deal. But what I took was this here to this 5-minute gap. We opened up this 5-minute gap. I'm like, okay, well, if we're bearish, we are gonna want to move up to fill the gap and then continue moving lower to take out this low resistance that we've put in. Okay, and then it looked really nice on the lower time frame, but unfortunately, just the other stuff I needed to see was there, and I think I don't know. I didn't really force it because I seen what I needed to see. We have a very nice turtle soup of this low resistance here, and as well we were like holding this gap at the time. So I'm like, okay, or not holding this gap, but yeah, like see what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck am I doing, bro? We're literally inside of a gap, and I'm trying to target another gap, bro. So not very the best trade for me in my opinion, which is exactly why I lost. And I am actually glad that I lost because I haven't lost a trade this whole month. But now I am 9 for 10, so I have lost a trade. But yeah, we had this very nice turtle soup and low resistance above us, targeting the 5-minute here, extended for a 1-to-1. I didn't even realize that to the 5-minute wasn't even a 1-to-1 on that, but which is why I just extended for the 1-to-1, which now looking back really was really dumb. Shouldn't really have played out at all. On the higher time frame, we have this low resistance. There's no reason we shouldn't have moved and taken out this now. I really should have waited for these 930s for this to be taken out, or 930 to at least be taken out. Now it has been taken out, and now the trade that I wanted to take would be playing out on the 3-minute right here. This isn't something I would have even taken anyway to the 5-minute now, because now it just doesn't make sense really. But it looks like it's playing out. But honestly, I think I'm just going to take the rest of the week off now, ladies and gents, because I don't know if this is what PA is going to look like this week, bro. Fuck this shit, bro. I'm not going to lie, bro. Fuck this shit. This super buns, bro. I just really like the turtle soup, the displacement through the inverse. This wick was beautiful, bro. And then we had this low resistance building up to the 5-minute gap. I just, now looking back, it's like, okay, we're in another 5-minute gap, so it's like it just wasn't good, bro. You shouldn't be taking longs to another gap when we're inside of a gap already. We should have waited till I sweeped out this, and then this untapped now. if it was an untapped 15-minute or 5-minute, which is exactly what's about to play out now, like, I don't know if I was just a little bit too impatient because I've been doing really good. But definitely not really humbling because it's like I obviously know I can lose. Just I think it's my own fault for wanting to look at the markets today and knowing that, thinking that today might be a good day. But then also, like, I'm still really good because I'm not, I could have took the 3-minute inverse after losing, and because now it's like, oh, it's gonna play out, but it's like there's always another day to trade, and I'm on two freshies, so I still have 1,400 in drawdown before I blow the account, so I'm not even mad, and I have a past account, so just trying to, I gotta just relax a little bit, and I just really wanted to pass these two evals before I go into December or January, I mean, but it didn't even take it on my Kronos account, so fuck yeah. So pretty nice, but yeah, guys, that's really all for me today. I would do a whole recap thingy, but I'm just glad that I lost a trade, bro. Like, I haven't lost a trade in a minute, but no way, bro. It hasn't had the face cam this whole time. Oh well, y'all boys gonna have to deal with it. Really me. I'm like, I really make these videos for me. But yeah, well, damn, no face cam the whole time, Ski. Dude, I gotta clean the room, bro. This shit is nuts. But yeah, you guys can see here, this is what I took. Stop here. Really nice. Lower time frame, it does look very nice, but we can see on here, like, we have no reason. That's the thing, we're bearish and we're in a sell model, so it really did make sense to me. We're gonna want to move back down here to take out this accumulation eventually, but then also, like I said, on here on the daily, we are holding this, so kind of a not a great trade for me today. I can't lie. Definitely, yeah. And then now look at this, bam, played out, and that's just what I didn't wait for. Should have waited for this to get taken out, bro. I just like the stop hunt here, and it's like with this 5-minute, I'm like, oh well, we're holding this 5-minute, so if we do want to be bearish, but then that would mean that we're still bullish. You know what I mean? So when you're taking these mech models like this, bro, you really want to make sure that you're bearish, and I think, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think it was bad. It's just the fact of, like, I don't know if I was trying to just get a trade off or I just want to pass my accounts, but it's really not that. Like, I don't know, it looked nice, so I took it, you know what I mean? And then this one he ran through, so I'm like, okay, well, if we're genuinely bullish, we're gonna have to want to move up into this 5-minute to fill it and then continue moving lower, okay? But then this, it's like, now that we took out 930, I think this would have been the better trade, this 3-minute here, because then, like, but then we're in a 5-minute, so I wouldn't have taken this because this didn't inverse, and then it's like highest time frame, and then, like, this is dookie. So I wouldn't have taken this in any world. This would have been the trade that I would have taken, like, you know what I mean? But I was really assuming that, we're gonna want to move up to balance this range, but we just didn't want to yet, and that's what I just didn't wait for. I didn't wait for very good confirmation. I just kind of took it because I've seen it play out before, I guess, and not seen everything that I needed to see for it to be A+. But yeah, I love you boys. I'm gonna get off here. That was a trade recap today, losing $630. Took a L. Peace out, loves.